Good morning, my fellow traders. Hope you all enjoying your week. A Bitcoin update here. As you guys know, I don't normally do Bitcoin crypto updates most of the time, but I was getting a few messages from the traders to do an update on Bitcoin. I normally cover all the indices, crypto, and all the other markets, stock market, in my members only live session, and all the other major soft and hard commodities. And sometimes I do a public live session as well where I cover Bitcoin and all the other markets. So let's do a Bitcoin analysis today, and I'm also going to show you what coin I've invested personally. Again, as I've just cut all my profits in last month, now I've re-entered the trades and I've invested in some tokens. Now it's totally up to you if you want to invest them or not. It is not any sort of financial advice, and it is something I'm personally doing and just sharing my analysis with you. Take your trades on your own risk and do your own research for your investments and trades. So starting with Bitcoin analysis. Now, in my members only live session, I've clearly mentioned this zone that price is going to spike up from here, and that has happened. I don't just say that, I've shown that in my members only live session. Let me show you a very quick clip, the 5 seconds clip from the members only live session. BTC can retest 90,000 and 93,000 again. That is likely next week, and then push up again. So perfect. So it is very important to show you that what I've been doing with the members, because I don't just say that, I do that as well. And right here, if you look here, a nice formation of double bottom, a nice 382 candle pin bar that is pushing up. Now we might see some retracement from here. Now talking about retracement, Bitcoin will be supported by the US, and as you can see, Donald Trump has supported the crypto, and he has also launched his own coin. Looking at that, fundamentals are very strong for the crypto market, and the price of crypto market will gonna push higher. Now, it is not so simple that you'll start buying here. Always buy at a good point. Always buy at the better price, because it is just a FOMO and greed where you entered without any reasons. Yes, the crypto is gonna push high. You might be listening to the traders, investors, the market, YouTube, that yes, just buy crypto. But everything has a point. Everything has a level where you need to invest and where you go for the best point to go for to get a better reward to risk ratio. Now, as you can see, the Bitcoin has formed a bearish pattern, which is my advanced pattern, or you can call it the harmonic pattern. Now, as you can see, it is a bearish pattern. We do have a bullish pattern before, right? Even with the point D was here. It is something that I can't cover in this video, from where the price nicely pushed up. It is something I'm going to put that in the course for the students very soon. Now, it is something with the retail traders. As you can see, the price nicely rejected from the point D and now pushing back down. It is something with the short term for the retail traders who trade futures. So that is why I'm expecting a big push down, and a pullback could be above 50 EMA or could be back to the zone, because of course the big whales, they want to buy crypto. They always want to buy at the good and better price. They can liquidate you at retail traders, and once they see a better price, they will buy again and they will push the market back up. So that is why be careful and enter the good price where the big institution and big players want to enter, which is something like this, a major zone, which is a demand zone as well, where I'll be looking to enter myself as well for the investment, short-term investment for Bitcoin. Now, so technically, either we're going to see a bounce from this zone if you want to wait, or either we're going to see a bounce from 50 EMA. From 50 EMA, if we got rejected with a bullish engulfer, or let's say with a pin bar, could be above 20 EMA as well, that will be a signal that buyers are now under control. They're going to likely push the price high. Now looking at this bearish pattern, expect good push down. That is something I'm expecting, and then a possible spike back up. It is something on a higher time frame, on a daily, on a 4-hour time frame as well. You can see a possible entries. For me personally, I want to see a break above point D. Once we have broken above point D, that will confirm the price will pull back and then start to push up again, because in that case the buyers will take over the market. For now, rejection from 50 EMA already been happened. We might see another rejection and then a possible push up. So overall we are bullish, but these are the technical conditions now I'm looking at here on Bitcoin. The coins I've just mentioned at the start of the video, which I've personally invested, which I look a good future, which is number one, Mover. I'm looking at $6.89. That goes to $7.9 for my investments. I'm going to show that once the price hit this zone, I'm going to show that live investing that money. Now here, Polkadot, it is at the buying level, which I'm personally going to buy as well, which is a very good token for the future. Algo, I've bought lots of Algo as well. It is something I'll be holding on for the long term as well. And then finally, I have Dodge. Not finally, actually, Matic. Good areas to buy. Shiba Inu if you want to. Bit slow, but if you want to. And then the last one, we have Kronos. Very slow coin. It might push up after a couple of months or a year, but it is something I personally invested at a good price. and it is a point where we can invest, because the mistake we do, we invest at the highest point with the FOMO, with the greed, and that is when we get stuck for months and years and wait for the price to come back to the good point. But it is an area which is a good point to invest, from where we can see a good reward as well. So that is something I was looking at Bitcoin and the crypto market. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.